What's up, y'all? It's Haley back with another video. If you want to see this top knot bun tutorial, stay tuned. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna be using this Kera styling wax to lay my hair down and my handy dandy curling wand to go ahead and melt that in. Initially, I was gonna do 2 pieces in the front, but somewhere along here, I'm gonna change my mind because it was just in my face, and I was thinking about having to keep it flat ironed since I am completely like a 4B hair type. So you'll see here shortly that I'm gonna actually brush it back up to my bun. But what you want to do is just slick this wax down across your hair all the way around. This or beeswax is up to you. There is no preference. It's just some type of wax, something that's not water based, so your hair doesn't revert if you are natural. So you want to slide that wax all the way across, and then we're going to take the wand and go over it and kind of just press it in. So this is where I was just like, no, I don't want that. I don't want them 2 pieces. So I just combed them back. And I'm going to be laying that down. And then you're going to see me start to do my edges. I like my little baby hairs I'm going to create. Go ahead and slick that around how you want it to be. And once you get that at your desired look, we're going to go to the next step, which is putting on the bun. And I'm going there with my Gotta Be spray, styling spray, holding spray. I'm going to spray that all the way around. The key is to make sure that you comb this before it dries. Because if it dries, sitting on top of your hair, it's going to turn white. So you have to comb that in and distribute it throughout the hair before you decide to blow dry it. So spray that, comb it in. And if you really don't have to blow dry it. My preference is to not blow dry it because it does turn white sometimes. So you want to keep that kind of light, but spray it down. You're going to take a big scrunchie or whatever holds your hair and brush that before you put that blow dryer on it. Brush it in, get it how you want it. And we're going to get in a tight ponytail. And once we get this up, we're going to make sure we got the hair laid like we want it. And you can tie your baby hair down. I don't, because I didn't have the right hair tie to make sure it doesn't come off sticking to my hair tie and pull my baby hairs up. So I just let it lay, because that Gotta Be spray really makes it freeze where it is. So I don't really have to worry about that moving or crawling or anything, because I started on flat ironed hair. Did I say that already? Obviously, you need to start on flat iron hair. If you want this sleek look, make sure you flat iron your hair first. I'm just going back in with my spray, freezing everything where it is. I'm going to take my blow dryer and set it. See, that was a mistake. I should have combed it through or ran my fingers through, because when I started combing, it started turning white. So I had to go in and put some oil on it and go over it with my wand curler and make sure it was no residue left. And so once you're done with that, then we're going to move to the next step. I'm going in with my Chi oil serum. You can use gloss spray. I just used the serum because I ran out of gloss spray. So what you want to do is take this hair and put it in, just wrap the tie around the hair, and then you want to wrap it around your ponytail, just like so. So you put one end through the hair tie, and then you take the hair tie and you make a ponytail around your ponytail. So you want to go ahead and comb the hair, get rid of those flyaways. You want to take that front piece, put it back. You want to take a long piece out so that you can have something to wrap around the bun. And then you want to take the top piece, both of the top pieces right there, and you're going to split it in half. Now, twist the way you want to twist. So you're going to twist like you're doing a Bantu knot. Twist from the top. So keep twisting until it starts wrapping around itself. And then you're going to twist it all the way to the bottom. And you just pick that hair up and you keep on going around. And you're going to take that piece all the way around and you're going to tuck it. And so now you're going to take the other side and you're going to wrap it the opposite way around, doing the same thing around the top, and then you're going to bring it around the bottom. Once you get it around the top, bring it on around the bottom, wrap it all the way down until you get the desired look that you want. This might not be the look you want. If you want to do one big swirl, you would just take all the hair and do this one time with all the hair instead of splitting it in half. It's up to you. And then you're going to pin that to secure it, or you can spray it. I prefer to pin it so I know it's going to stay. And now what you want to do is comb that hair to wrap it around the bottom, and you're going to spray it with your gotta be spray, and you're going to keep combing, keep detangling, and you're going to keep wrapping and keep wrapping until you get to the bottom of the ice cream cone. That's what it looked like to me. And when you get to the bottom, you just keep going, and you go, and you go. And you can spray and leave it secured like this, or you can pin it. And like I said, I like pinning, so I'm going to pin. And guys, this is the finished look. Very easy, very sleek, very manageable. You just tie it down at night, get up and go. I had a little problem with my head touching the ceiling in the car, but that's okay. I was still cute. Thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe. And let me know if you like these type of videos, and I'll be doing more. Thank you. Bye.